Welcome to back my biology class. Today I will discuss about BMR and BMI are included in chapter 5. Go, let's our lesson now. A picture is shown in this screen. A man is running in the field. That means it's one kind of exercise. This exercise is closely related with BMR and BMI. Next, today I will discuss chapter 5. Already I have said that. The name of this chapter, Food, Nutrition and Digestion. And today's lesson is BMR, Learning Objectives. At first, tell about BMR, explain the importance of BMR and calculate the BMR, and explain about the importance of rest and exercise for good health. BMR, the full form of BMR, basal metabolic rates. According to your textbook, basal metabolic rates indicates the energy used by human beings at resting stage to maintain healthy body, and obesity must be control BMR and BMI. That means BMR and BMI, two scales are very important for the maintaining of sound health and obesity. The formula of BMR of Harris-Benedict's, that means BMR is determined to very difficult. On the other hand, we can say that BMR depends on the structure of body, sex, gender, food habit, etc. And this BMR is mainly determined by two formula of human beings, such as male and female. And this formula is given a food scientist, Harris-Benedict. That means we can easily determine BMR through the Harris-Benedict formula. These two formula are BMR female equals 655 plus 9.6 into weight expressed in kg plus 1.8 into height expressed in centimeter minus 4.7 into age expressed in year. This is the formula of BMR of female. And now BMR male, as the formula of female, 66 plus 13.7 into weight expressed in kg plus 5 into height expressed in centimeter minus 6.8 age into year. This is the formula of BMR, and this through this formula we can easily determine the value of BMR. Next, problem. Suppose a woman is 33 years old, her height is 165 centimeter and weight is 94 kg. This is the problems for BMR, and these types of problem is very important for any exam, such as especially we can say that in SSC exam. This is the complete solution of this problem. So that BMR female 655 plus 9.6 into 9.94, this is the height, because 94 this is the weight of kg, 94. On the other hand, 1.8 into 165 centimeter, this is the height. We know that 65, this is the formula of BMR of female, 655 plus 9.6 into weight expressed in kg plus 1.8 into height in expressed in centimeter minus 4.7 into age expressed in year. That means this is the weight, this is height, and this is year. And we can see that 1699.3 calorie. That means this woman's needs daily 1699.3 calorie. This is the result for this problem. This is a figure. We know that 4-person shown in this figure, and this 4-person is a cricketer, and this 4-person is a national cricketer in our country. This 4-person show exercise in this figure, and this exercise is completely related with BMR. This is also related with BMR. A renowned person, Tamim Iqbal and Nasir, and also cricketer is shown in this figure, and those all cricketer have exercised in a gymnasium. Already I have said that exercise is completely related with BMR. This is also same figure, and this is also exercise in gymnasium is shown in this figure, and this is also same. This is BMR chart, and this chart is included in your textbook chapter 5, and some condition also present in this scheme, and for every condition have a different BMR value. That means any person not working, at that case at first we must be determined BMR value, and at the last stage BMR value is multiplied by 1.2 for the condition of not working. On the other hand, light working and playing 2 to 3 days in a week, for this condition BMR value is multiplied 1.375. On the other hand, working sufficient playing 2 to 3 days in a week, and BMR value is multiplied 1.55. On the other hand, working playing every day in a week, and at that case BMR value is multiplied 1.725. and at the last stage hard working and sufficient jumping and running and playing, for this condition BMR value is multiplied 1.9. That means this chart is completely related with BMR, and when I have solved, or we have solved BMR value, this chart is very needed for the solution of BMR value. Next, that means if above the woman is hard working, already we have solved the problem. This is the last part of that problems, such as, that means if above the woman is hard working, this is the condition for woman to determine BMR value. If above the woman is hard working and playing every day in a week, so that in this, for this condition the value of BMR of that woman 1699 decimal 3 or 0.3 is multiplied with 1.725, and we can easily get 2931.29 calorie. This is the main result of BMR value of that woman's for the condition of hard working and playing every day in a week. That means, so the woman takes 2931.29 calorie food, she keeps to balance of weight. This is the pie chart of BMR and BMI. We know that BMR and BMI to scale are completely related with our healthy body and to avoid obesity. That means basal metabolic rate. We know that the full form of BMR, basal metabolic rate. Basal metabolic rate 70% energy can get. On the other hand, we can say that our body energy and production is completely controlled by BMR, and we can get energy 70% from BMR. On the other hand, physical activities we can get energy from 20%, and the another condition we can get 10% energy. And these types of information is shown in the figure of pie chart in the screen. And this is also another figure is shown in the screen, and this figure also is related with BMR. Another a diagrammatic figure or pie chart, and as like as same information is shown in this figure. That means organs functioning and food digestion and energy for activity. And again I say that we can get energy 70% from BMR. On the other hand, 20% energy we can get hard working, and the another 10% we can get energy from taking of food. And this is also another figure, and a renowned person, that means Mushfiqur Rahim, is the captain of national team of cricket in our country, and he is always exercising in gymnasium. This figure is shown in these types of information, and this figure is completely related with BMR. That means we can say that the BMR value of Mushfiqur Rahim is controlled through by exercising. This is the group work, and for the solution this group work need to time 10 minutes, and Mr. Rahman is 55 years 5 months, and his body weight and height are respectively 63,500 gram and 6.5 by meter. Always he does light walking and plays 3 days in a week. Problems: determine the BMI and BMR value with giving your logic. And at the last stage I can say that BMR and BMI, a lot of difference found between BMR and BMI. BMR, the full form of BMR is basal metabolic rate. On the other hand, the full form of BMI, body mass index. In case of BMR, height is always expressed by centimeter. On the other hand, in case of BMI, height is expressed by meter. At the last point, there is no unit of BMI. On the other hand, BMR is expressed by calorie. This is the main difference between BMI and BMR. We know that already. I have said that BMR indicates the energy used by human beings at resting stage, and the full form of BMR, basal metabolic rate. On the other hand, BMI, this is the another important scale for the maintenance of our sound health and obesity. The full form of BMI, body mass index, and BMI indicates the structure of body and the presence of fat in our body. And the formula of BMI is body weight divided height square. So two scales, always I say that two scales, BMI and BMR, are very, very important for the controlling of body weight or healthy body and obesity. And also we know that BMR depends on sex or gender and age, food habit, the structure of body, and these are closely related in BMR. Thank you everybody to listen to my video class attentively.